Artificial intelligence, it's here. It's changing everything. From driving our cars to diagnosing diseases, AI is transforming our world. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of the 21st century. AI is the ability of machines to learn and think like humans. It's about creating systems that can analyze data and make decisions without human intervention. This technology is rapidly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and accessible. The impact of AI is already being felt across industries. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. And in transportation, self-driving cars are on our roads today. The AI revolution is not just about technology, it's about the future of humanity. Are you ready to unlock the potential of AI? Let's explore this exciting frontier together. AI is not some distant concept. It's already deeply intertwined with our daily lives. Think about the last time you asked Siri a question or used facial recognition to unlock your phone. Those are examples of AI in action. Every time you shop online, AI algorithms are working behind the scenes. They analyze your browsing history and purchase patterns to recommend products you might like. They personalize your shopping experience, making it easier and more enjoyable to find what you're looking for. And consider the world of entertainment. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to curate personalized recommendations for movies, TV shows, and music. They learn your tastes and preferences, ensuring you always have something engaging to watch or listen to. These are just a few examples of how AI is seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and personalized experiences. At its core, AI is a problem-solving tool. It thrives on data, using vast amounts of information to identify patterns, make predictions, and find solutions. This makes AI incredibly powerful in tackling complex challenges across various domains. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing disease diagnosis and treatment. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect tumors and other abnormalities with remarkable accuracy. They can also personalize treatment plans based on a patient's medical history and genetic makeup. The financial industry is also benefiting from AI's problem-solving capabilities. AI-powered systems are used to detect fraudulent transactions, assess credit risk, and even provide personalized investment advice. These systems can analyze massive data sets in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that humans might miss. AI's problem-solving prowess extends to countless other fields. From optimizing supply chains and logistics to predicting natural disasters, AI is helping us address some of the world's most pressing issues. The transformative power of AI is undeniable. It's revolutionizing industries and creating new sectors. In manufacturing, AI drives smart factories. AI-powered robots optimize production, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. The transportation industry is transforming with AI. Self-driving cars and trucks are becoming a reality. Even creative industries feel AI's impact. AI composes music, writes poetry, and creates art. AI is reshaping industries, promising dramatic transformations. Section 5. The power of prediction. One of AI's most remarkable capabilities is its ability to predict the future. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can make remarkably accurate predictions about future events. In finance, AI is used to predict stock market movements, assess investment risks, and even detect fraudulent transactions. These predictive models are based on complex algorithms that analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time. Marketing and advertising are also leveraging the power of AI prediction. AI algorithms can analyze consumer data to predict which customers are most likely to make a purchase, what products they're interested in, and even what kind of messaging will resonate with them. AI's predictive capabilities extend to countless other domains. From predicting natural disasters and weather patterns to forecasting disease outbreaks, AI is helping us anticipate and prepare for the future. Section 6. Unleashing AI in your business. Whether you're running a small startup or a large corporation, AI has the potential to transform your business operations. By automating tasks, improving decision-making, and creating personalized customer experiences, AI can give you a competitive edge. One of the most effective ways to leverage AI is through automation. AI-powered systems can automate repetitive tasks like data entry, customer service inquiries, and even complex financial analysis. This frees up your human employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. AI can also enhance your decision-making processes. By analyzing vast amounts of data and providing insights, AI algorithms can help you make more informed and strategic decisions. This is particularly valuable in areas like marketing, sales, and product development. Moreover, AI can help you create more personalized customer experiences. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can provide tailored recommendations, personalized offers, and even predict customer needs. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately revenue. Section 7. Essential tools for the AI journey. Embarking on your AI journey requires the right tools and resources. Fortunately, there are many powerful AI platforms and frameworks available to help you get started. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is an open-source machine learning platform widely used for building and deploying AI models. Its flexibility and scalability make it suitable for a wide range of applications. IBM Watson is another comprehensive AI platform that offers a suite of tools and services for natural language processing, machine learning, and computer vision. Its industry-specific solutions make it a popular choice for businesses looking to implement AI solutions. Microsoft Azure AI is a cloud-based platform that provides a wide range of AI services, including machine learning, cognitive services, and bot services. Its integration with other Azure services makes it a compelling option for businesses already using the Azure cloud. These are just a few examples of the many powerful AI tools available. Choosing the right tools depends on your specific needs, technical expertise, and budget. Section 8. Tesla versus Kepler AI pioneers. When it comes to AI innovation, Tesla and Kepler are two companies at the forefront. While they operate in different industries, both are leveraging AI to push the boundaries of what's possible. Tesla is renowned for its electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology. Tesla's autopilot system uses a combination of cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and AI algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even change lanes autonomously. Kepler, on the other hand, is a robotics company specializing in industrial automation. Kepler's robots are used in manufacturing, logistics, and other industries to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance safety. These robots are powered by AI algorithms that allow them to learn and adapt to their environment. While Tesla is focused on revolutionizing transportation with AI-powered vehicles, Kepler is transforming industries with intelligent automation. Both companies are prime examples of how AI is being used to create a more efficient, sustainable, and technologically advanced future. Section 9. The future is intelligent. The AI revolution is still in its early stages, but it's clear that AI will play an increasingly significant role in our lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. Imagine a world where AI-powered personal assistants anticipate our needs, where AI-driven healthcare systems diagnose diseases before symptoms even appear, and where AI-powered education platforms personalize learning experiences for every student. This is the promise of AI, a future where technology augments our abilities, solves complex problems, and creates a more efficient, sustainable, and equitable world. Section 10. Embracing the AI transformation. The rise of AI presents both opportunities and challenges. It's essential to approach this transformative technology with a balance of excitement and caution. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, create new jobs, and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. By embracing AI and harnessing its power, we can unlock unprecedented levels of progress and innovation. On the other hand, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we need to ensure they're developed and used responsibly, with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. Ultimately, the future of AI depends on our collective choices and actions. By embracing AI's potential while mitigating its risks, We can create a future where technology empowers humanity and creates a better world for all. Section 11, a call to action. The AI revolution is not something that's happening to us, it's something we're all a part of. Now is the time to embrace AI and shape its future. Educate yourself about AI, understand the ethical implications, and learn how AI can be applied in your field. Experiment with AI tools and explore the creative possibilities. AI is a topic that affects us all. Engage in discussions and join online communities to stay informed. Let's embrace it, shape it, and create a future where technology empowers humanity.